Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to screen record with system audio on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, to screen record with system audio, you will typically need to enable both screen recording and system audio recording within your screen recording software setting. And many recording tools, including those and some online option, offer the ability to capture both your screen and the audio coming from your device speakers. And then how to do that is very easy. Now the first thing first, you can swipe down to go to control center, and then on the screen recorder menu, now you can long press, and then on the sound source, now you can click, and then now you can choose system, so that the system audio will be captured on screen record, guys. And here's the tutorial on how to screen record with system audio on Poco M7 Pro. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.